Hello and welcome. Data without context is just numbers. But when transformed through effective visualization, it becomes a powerful story that drives action. In our Power BI course, you will master the art and science of data storytelling, turning complex information into visual narratives that influence decisions. Many professionals struggle with visualization. They either overwhelm audiences with data-heavy charts or miss critical insights through oversimplification. We will show you how to strike the perfect balance, creating visuals that are both informative and intuitive, allowing decision makers to grasp complex patterns at a glance. We will teach you essentials of data visualization and storytelling, establishing context, highlighting key insights, creating logical flows between visualizations, and designing interactive elements that encourage exploration while maintaining narrative focus. Welcome to Business Intelligence with Power BI from data to strategic decisions, a comprehensive course designed to transform you from a data novice to a business intelligence expert. In today's data-driven world, the ability to extract meaningful insights from raw information isn't just valuable, it's essential. I am Dr. Rupesh Kumar Sinha, Associate Professor at Faculty of Management Studies, CMS Business School in Department of Decision Science with 28 years of experience in industry as well as academia. I will be your guide as we explore how Microsoft Power BI can transform your approach to business analytics. Over the coming sessions, we will journey through the complete Power BI ecosystem. Starting with the fundamentals of business intelligence, we will quickly advance to connecting and transforming data from multiple sources. You will master data modeling techniques, learn the powerful DAX language for custom calculations, and develop skills to create stunning visualizations that tell compelling data stories. Whether you are an analyst looking to upgrade your skills, a manager seeking better reporting tools, or a business leader wanting to make more informed decisions, this course delivers practical knowledge you can implement immediately. What is Power BI? In a marketplace flooded with analytics tools, Power BI stands out for its accessibility, power, and integration capabilities. It bridges the gap between complex data and actionable insights with an intuitive interface that does not sacrifice analytical depth. With Power BI, you can connect to virtually any data source, transform and clean data with just a few clicks, create interactive reports that update in real time, share insights securely across your organization, access your dashboards from anywhere on any device. Let's preview what you will master in this course. First, we will build a solid foundation in BI concepts and Power BI's role in the analytics landscape. You will learn to connect to diverse data sources such as CSV files, Excel, etc., and transform that data into usable format. Next, we will dive into data modeling, establishing relationships and hierarchies that unlock deeper analytical capabilities. We will tackle DAX expressions, creating calculated columns, measures, and KPIs that extract meaningful metrics from your data. The heart of our course focuses on visualization techniques, crafting interactive dashboards that communicate insights effectively. You will learn design principles that ensure your reports are not just informative but accessible and engaging. Finally, we will explore advanced features like AI-powered analytics, predictive modeling, and seamless collaboration through Power BI services. What sets this course apart is our hands-on approach. Every concept is reinforced with practical exercises and real world case studies. By working with realistic scenarios, you will develop skills that transfer directly to your professional challenges. No abstract examples, just practical applications that demonstrate Power BI's business value. This course is designed for a variety of professionals, business analysts, seeking to elevate their reporting capabilities, managers who need better visibility into operational performance, data professionals looking to add Power BI to their toolkit, decision makers who want to become more data driven, anyone who works with Excel and is ready for the next level. No prior Power BI experience is needed, though basic familiarity with Excel and data concepts is going to help you to progress faster. The course is structured to accommodate different learning paces with resources for both beginners and those with some analytical background. By completing this course, you will gain concrete skills that impact your professional capabilities. You will be able to build dynamic dashboards that provide real-time business insights. You will know how to identify trends and patterns that might otherwise remain hidden in your data. Most importantly, you will develop the confidence to make and advocate for data-driven decisions. In today's competitive landscape, these skills don't just enhance your analytical capabilities, they transform how organizations operate, giving you valuable expertise that drives business success. We begin our journey into business intelligence with Power BI soon. Join us to unlock the full potential of your business data and develop skills that will distinguish you as a data savvy professional. Registration details are available at this portal. Don't just collect data, learn to leverage it. I look forward to guiding you through the transformative world of business intelligence with Power BI.